Thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Sarah Compton, and I'm going to be your moderator for today. Today, we're going to be talking about how to master Excel reporting. All right, quick agenda for today. We're going to meet your speaker and hear a little bit about Insight software. Then we're going to dive into today's conversation, talking about the power of Excel-based reporting. And from there, Kevin's going to give us a quick demo where you'll see the solution in action. And then we will hear from one of our customers, and we will wrap up with some concluding thoughts and Q&A. With that, I'm going to pass it over to our speaker now. Kevin, it's all yours.
Thank you, Sarah, and welcome everyone. As Sarah had mentioned, my name is Kevin Gibson. As you can see here, I'm a solutions engineer here at Insight Software, and I always like to say it's the fancy way of breaking it down that I'm just the demo guy. I'm going to present the product. We're going to walk through some of the features and functionality today here live. Ultimately, there's a lot to talk about with this product, so we're not going to cover every little piece that the product provides. So certainly submit your questions. We are happy to do presentations one-on-one with you and your organization if you do find an interest. But again, my name is Kevin, and I will be your presenter and engineer for today's phone call. Now, a little bit about Insight Software, the company. I've been involved with this organization since the start. I've been working around and been in the financial space now for a little over 25 plus years. And what Insight Software does is it provides solutions for the office of the CFO. So when you think about the office of the CFO, you're thinking about the financial aspect, you're thinking about all the different pieces. Either it could be tax and treasury, budgeting and planning, certainly financial and operational reporting, just to name a few. This organization provides products that fit into those different categorizations. So if there's a need that we don't cover that you might have, by all means, visit insightsoftware.com. You can get a good look at the remaining products that we do provide. But we are an organization of $500+ million in revenue. We have a lot of users globally, over 500,000 plus, as noted here. A lot of different partners, 24+ hundred team members, and we serve over 150 different countries. So we have a large footprint. We're here to support you, here to serve you. And now let's get to why we're here today. The first line, in the world of finance, data is power. As we also like to say here internally, without data, it's just an opinion. Numbers support the decisions of any organization or literally in your personal life. You use data to make decisions on what may be the best interest in moving forward. How's the market? How's the economy? How are you doing personally? So when we talk about the data, how do you get to it? Well, most folks, it all starts with a data dump. They unleash the power of Excel. And today we're going to talk about doing it in a whole new way. We're going to save you time. We're going to reduce errors. And then ultimately, it's going to help you as an organization make better decisions. Now, we're going to let you see that tool. We're going to show you what that is. We're going to show you how to unleash that Excel function in ways you haven't thought about. But ultimately, we all use Excel. We all understand Excel. So why not grasp that power and just automate Excel? And that's what the end goal today is with this presentation. Now, simplifying the reporting. How do we handle that? How do we do it? How does it work? What does it take to understand it? Well, first, let's connect seamlessly with your information. Now, we use the term ERP here. Think about that as your financial system, where all your records are stored. Think about that as your one source of truth. We are going to take Excel and make a connection seamlessly to it. Once that connection's made, it's going to allow you to create and customize reports with simple Excel functionality. You can schedule and distribute those reports automatically. And then ultimately, you can take that data now that it is in Excel, and you can build interactive dashboards. So not only can you pull and extract the raw data, but you now can visualize that data, automating the process from start to finish. Start in Excel, stay in Excel, build it once. Once it's built, it's always built, and now you can share it. And by being able to visualize it, you now can open up your data into other parts of the organization. It doesn't have to be about just an accountant who knows how to read financials. It could be about someone in the warehouse who wants to help, who's important in the decision-making process, but doesn't understand how to read that content. And visualization is a great way to accomplish that. So if we think about where we are just in this short part of today's discussion, we're going to talk about automating the process, which most organizations struggle with. The ability to get to their data in a simplified way, automate that, and then ultimately make better decisions as a result of it. Now, with that being said, we're going to transfer over to and look at a tool called Spreadsheet Server that's going